Assalamu alaikum, how you guys? I'm Aminur from NewTech, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download the Gameloop emulator if you're facing problem like me. When PUBG Mobile Season 14 released, I got a bunch of problem and I got bunch of lag, so I couldn't play the game for some days. So I figured it out and I thought I should make a video on it so people can easily download it. So before we get started, I suggest you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I posted these types of awesome new videos. And if you've done that, thank you so much, and let's get to this video started. Alright guys, so first of all, we need to download an app which is Winscribe, which is actually a VPN app. We need to download it by going its website, and it's totally free. So I really recommend to use this VPN app, or you can download and install or use any other application. So going in here, you just need to click on this window, and we are going to Gameloop and click right here and save. So when we have this two, after installing the Winscribe application, you just turn this application on. You can set to best location, so it will automatically detect the best location for you. Yeah, it's connected. Now we need to click that PUBG Mobile icon, the application that we have downloaded from the gameloop.fun website. And now, as you can see, it's smoothly downloading. We can minimize the Winscribe application, which is a VPN, by the way, and repeat it again. You can use any other VPN, but as you can see, it's really using like getting 7 Mbps speed, so it's really good speed to download any game. You just wait. By the way, just to mention you, if this application requires to sign in with any account, you can just create a free account by Winscribe by going to the Winscribe web page. You can create a free account of Winscribe by going there. So yeah, after download, and yeah, it will automatically install. It's now, as you can see, it's installing the AOW engine. So after downloading the emulator, it will download the game. So you need to wait. As you can see, it's installing. So it will download the emulator first, and then it will download the game. So as you can see, it's really easy and successfully downloading and installing the game. So that is it for today, guys. As you can see, it was really smooth to download the Gameloop emulator, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can play the game with 1080p resolution by changing some in-game settings and some of the emulator setting, and you can play it full HD mode without any lag. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you get this video helpful, give this video a like, and if you don't, dislike this video. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
To change your